Friday vlog. Friday is a hectic day because it's kind of rounding up the week. We've done 2 workshops this week, the AI workshop, Fitness Pilates for Orthopaedic Conditions workshop, which were really successful. But I've got to round those up, email everybody, get reviews. It's very much about the follow-up with courses. Just the same with anything, you know, there's a customer journey. You know, so somebody sees the workshop on social media, they inquire about it, we might have a chat on the phone, or they might just purchase it. Then we do the workshop. We then upload all of the recordings, which we did last night, and Lauren's finished that off this morning. We check the dashboard. I'm just going to check that now. Check the dashboard's all good. And then I email everybody personally that has booked, ask them for the feedback, let them know that it's all there, what we covered. And some people watch it immediately, and then some people don't touch it for months. And then suddenly I'll get a message, oh, I bought that workshop 6 months ago, and can I ask you a question? What was the music that you used, or whatever it might be? So I'm on to that this morning. I've got an opportunity of running a special business day at an event that's happening in Bristol. Remix, which is Amanda's, who does the clothing, Wild Legs. And I think I'm going to take a room and do some business, a bit of a content creation sort of day there, a bit of a meetup. That's in November, so I'm just going to look at that. I've got flights to book, quite a lot of flights to book this year and next year. And I've got tons of stuff to do around the house. The Reformer studio is upside down. So is my main filming studio, because I filmed yesterday the orthopaedic course. So I dragged a Reformer into there and then I did it there. So I've got to sort all that out today. And then I'm on an early pickup with Logan today. I've got to pick him up at 2:45. And then I'm going to go out with Jane tonight. I've not been out with my friends for ages. I've just not had any time at all. So me and Logan are going for dinner. We're going to Everard's in Leicester tonight. That should be nice, shouldn't it? Morning, gang. Saturday morning. I have just taught here online. I've only done 1 class this morning. I did Fitness Pilates Feel Good Flow. I'll link to it here. And then I've just been filming some content, some mini raw content, which always gets so much traction. I've got a Fitness Pilates Reformer live class now, so I'm just going to get ready for that. And then hopefully, all being well, we'll get out and play some golf today and maybe go to a local festival. There's a food festival going on, so let's go. Now we're back. I've just been to the cinema to watch The Sheep Detective. Now we are running a level 3 Pilates mat work diploma on Zoom. So I'm just popping in, quick coffee, to say hello to everyone. So getting all the studio ready for tonight, all the floor revamped last week. So the floor in here is absolutely beautiful now. The space is so nice. So just got to sort out all the outdoor plants and just get everything ready for tonight, and then make a plan for next week, because Friday I've got an outdoor Ibiza Reformer, Saturday morning is sunrise, and then Sunday evening is the summer solstice. So it's a big weekend here. I'm hosting lots of classes. Sunday's full. Saturday morning is always an up and down. Hopefully I can get that full, and then Friday night. So going to be a good weekend. So let's get going. Okay, now we have Fitness Pilates Reformer, little course here, little class this morning. Looking forward to this. Morning gang, different day today. I am on my way to Elevate to Excel. It's the big fitness event. I'm just there for a day, just a few hours actually. I'm just getting the train this morning, and then I'll hopefully be in London. This is the fast train, so I'll be in London in an hour and a half. And then I've got meetings really set up. A few people to see. Looking forward to it. It's always good fun. So it was a very, very, very packed train. I'm going to head down to Excel now. I've just got to get on the Underground to Farringdon, and then Victoria Line, and then into Excel. And it looks like it, I mean, it was pouring when I left. It's gorgeous now.
following XY.
It is rammed. So rammed. Right, I'm going to get to some meetings. Let's go. I just had a first good meeting. Now I'm on to the next. Just been to watch Mr. Motivator. He was getting everybody up and moving. It looked great. Loads of people around at the stage. And that's a wrap. I've got to leave Excel now and get back on the train for classes tonight. It has been amazing.
We're back from Elevate. It was a good meeting. I went back to back. I went with purpose, Lauren. Purpose. That's what I went with. But now I've got to follow up with everybody. So that's the what we've been doing today. Lots of follow up. And if you are in the industry, I do recommend these events. I know it's a lot of time, energy, emotion, travel, cost, but it is worth it. I do recommend going. You've got Elevate. You have got PerformX, which is in February. These events really are worth going to, and setting up some meetings, going to chat with people on stands. I was sitting next to a guy on the train, and he'd got a product that he wanted investment for. He'd not got any meetings set up, but his goal was to go around and speak to absolutely everybody on the trade stands. And that old school networking is still really important. It really is. So I do recommend going. PerformX, I think, is February, and that's always Birmingham NEC and then London XL, which is, it is a big cost to get there. It's free. It's a free event, but it was definitely worth it. So I'd highly recommend that. Then I've got to follow up with everybody. So every single person I spoke to, my aim is to either add them on social media or send them an email or just follow up. I try to take as many pictures as possible. So if you look at my Instagram, Facebook, I've just taken everyone I saw. I was like, oh, can I get a picture? Can I get a picture? And then just put them all up, make sure that I'm following them. And then I'm going to do that now with LinkedIn. So every kind of business is all about connections. So these events are important. And you could do this on a local level. There's loads of local business networking meetings. And I know you may have gone to them in the past and thought, oh, they're not worth it. But they are. Because often, years down the road, things turn up with, oh, I met you at that networking event. Or they need a fitness person or a wellness practitioner or whatever. And they remember you. So it is going the extra mile, but it is worth it. End of this week's vlog. So let me know what you think. As always, please comment and let me know if you're enjoying the vlogs. And also, if you are on my YouTube channel, I go live every day and I put all the notes to all the little videos. So check out everything on the channel, whether it's shorts, YouTube shorts, or whether it's the choreography. I always aim to try and give you as much value as I possibly can. So please feedback, like and subscribe, and leave a comment.